tena batulina mukukuna futa mali mirundi
nabadde ne committees tusijja kuba kukatambi naye kankubeko kamu muli enti muzee yakola olwo musajja asiibula mukazi we timukyala bwolaba sikolewo jati enywezeza ati miso temumanyi bwekola miso mu maza bote mulimu emiliyoni y'abantu kakati mu maza bote
mu miso
abantu basatu kasabe kubira amasimu
wa configuring mu motherboard yayo emiliyoni
ite bayina kasa mutula abantu wali asobola kuwamba government wa kiriyo banze sibira compromise sekolechi nanyine miso yikaya jifuna ko tapes cities iziyazifuna ate banonya wezitya ne wababula bagamba mirundi ne musebeni bayina chano ko bakolera ko operating he talks to him on a daily basis ndi wa iso ndi one ndi wakube byange byuma kakati mwe kasamwe panka abali mu maza body ne mutula bwe muti kakati atenze kiba kinyambi kati gwatali mu maza body bwotula nabali mu maza body kati ate nawe mbankunywerezaawo sese kibe kumaze
botyo
tewali wanasobola kusula government ngajisula wa
nisebe mulaba
sajje bagamba kiri ekintu kikola ekyuma kikola 24 hours kyo kitambula nanjuba bwekiti olaba n'abalundi bajja wano abekenya nabo bajja bakinone nibaga technology tasaasaanyizibwa kakati
ruto yajja kuba wano ng'akyagala
olitwayogera omusajja sebo ebizimbe yabitwala
ono goba billions ze sente emanira
ebizimbe yabitutte
ebyani
ebyabamubba
yamanya abamubba
muwagira nzikati mpagira dadi tibenje kutubba sente zaffe bwe bati abana
dadi banda dadi banda yakutte ebizimbe byabani
kino kiri kunasa kaduka muddu sikati mwabbira ki zina bagambanga nti mmwe omuntu ayinza okuddira omwenge nakuteeka mu magulu ne babagamba nti wali afulumya ecupa saawa zimu asasudde kati olekawo gwakikuwamye banno kakati Singapore obaddeyo ekizimbe Kongo abadde ayina ekizimbe egendi Canada nayo babitutte kati yakoledde kitagenda kuddayo mu bwavu bwe kino ekyakabalagala ekiwambe ekyo mukiraba ekirungi ennyo ekiri kabalagala awo si bwe yakitutte nekino ekiri ku nasa yakitutte anagasimatidde billions za dola ebiri n'eki Singapore nkitutte n'eki Canada nkitutte n'eki Hong Kong nkitutte billions za dola ebiri zitazakuzanya yabasayiningisiza endagaano nabuuliza mutabani wange looya mukuba looya nemubuuza wa ey'endagaano ekola eri ku mudomo gw'emundu naga nti ekolera ddala kasawa beerawo ba witnesses naye omusajja omwana yagambye ti before you sign ng'akaaba before you sign assets let me ask two things. What will be my relationship with you after this? Because we have been working together for decades. Two, namugamba, if you find your wife eloping with your son, do you castrate the son or you surrender the woman to him? As a serious I want my money. The question is not the amount of money you paid me. Bumuloza nti ndimwe ebyo nti munsibe kati mpagirono nze mpagirono yeziba sisemeza gwe mpagira kati nze ndi kusaidia eno kati
eyabasuuziza
dadi gwe mpagira dadi ne president yabakubiriso n'abagamba naye mwazi jawa nemba nabanga bali ku simu yali ayogera bonna ne bajja ne bateeka okutu ku simu bweba zinababuuza naye ezo sente ezo zemwogerera mu buwumbi n'obuwumbi kakati nno sikugambye nti jati enoonya buli omu akaunti z'abantu zasibiddwa wano their people cannot access their money here locally 7 yasibye locally kyobula bwavu butta abantu yeta fulumiza kati abo dabe mulabe jinja twayizira tisatira Museveni atuwe send. Those are not Museveni supporters. The moment Museveni gives out money bamukwata ku video akaluka kanalify
esimu bagamba nti gojiri na hoteli mu Moroka
kakati kibaliko bagala Museveni akolechi analify ngakalulu ke abo naba musaba sente sibabe aba violate kalulu sibabe Museveni ye a district tandamenya kululu nemu era ye yovula bana nti bali bagalanze bandekeko bakalisa banze
ye by the soko mbulire kubanga bangambye bakuteeka ku lukiiko omukyala simanyi babalanda ne
ababana
ne kirunda
waliwo gye bajja sente ne bateekawo ka office kaabwe kali kolulo sente zako za kisirani nizibuye nagisi mukajata atukwata atufula bapaka sibe kakati kwa kuteekawo target nze bati batamanyi president wanted me to have my own budget
ekibuzo kiri
ndi president yagamba ngende nga njogerere mu ba delegates but sente bazibba mu bankozi mulenzi jangu nkwase mulenzi gwe jangu benyondo
tebakuteka kachiko
biriyo akakachiko tekaliyo Museveni yaluza akachiko kabantu 13
sike kanu kebateka ne mawulire nga bagamba tamale
mulenzi oyo
from different angles. Almost everybody is threatened. I don't know where and how we're going to manage this situation because a lot of suspense in each and everything you're looking at. Now, Professor, just look at what is going on at this moment. Some people, when you call them, they say, I cannot call you back. I cannot pick your phone. Just, I'm sorry, I'm still engaged in this and that. So, that justifies previously what we call the rumor that we are getting ensangled. We are getting incarcerated.
Museveni
the Services Excellence has a lot of information. Is going on to say that is incarcerating many of us. Actually, the number is still growing because somebody was telling me, somebody called me and was like, yes, excuse me, are you so and so? I said, yeah. Please, try to summarize each and everything you do because something might happen. So I was like, are you sending gunmen to gun me down? I was like, not really. But when I look at the list, it seems you might be off. So I'm like, where are you calling from? I was like, please, I'm just alerting you. I'm from Jad. So I was like, no, Jad, am I a terrorist? I was like, no, you're simply not a terrorist. So I was like, what is exactly is going on? So I'm here to what do you think is really going on?
Summarizing among what you get at Kuba Yari Kutebukwasi.
Ate kuli boda ebifaananyi kwebiri buli boda agezako okudduka wano bi
jati yali kutebukwasi
kamba bulize these people don't know politics. It is not in the interest of Museveni to hand over power to a hostile people group even if that group is composed of his close relatives. Kubanga kyebutamanyi kyemusumulula nti trend yerietya ti trend bwejja nga mwejjako Mubaraka bamutwala mu court ngali katanda. Why? To appease the public, because you reduce the problem to the former president. Mubaraka was humiliated. Bano baletera batwala Bashiri mu kayumba kembwa. Why? To appease the public, because the issue bali aba opposition babazanya ye Paul Mwanga bwe yajjako obote ate na alufiiramu. Do you think Museveni can go through that experience because of you people, whether you were his close relatives or not? What you should do abana bwe basiriwala ne bagamba nti to take it up to gabane ebintu nenga badde batigomye ekyalo ana abekyalo nabo bagamba mirundi kagwere mu kabuli tutabana
abana banatulaba
kakati mujoze mubye buli wamu mujoze buli muntu akoleze namu give Museveni the next 5 years so that you have an orderly handover. Uganda is not going to disappear tomorrow. Kakati oyo muwulire nti abajati yamubiddeko analagawa era yagambye nti kati buli mvi waka mbulira mukazi wange mulire bwagamba tikitwali tuyita luma nti bagenda tukwata nti kakati musajja tayalagidde batonyo 4 ministers under house arrest, 17 prominent people reported to Jati. and others on the run.
Joint agent anti-terrorism.
Accounts have been frozen.
Tamale, what do you expect after 2021? Kubanga, one, abantu bali uncertain.
Museveni is anti abategedde bagala musula. Kakati weche baganyo kola. Bulota kiriza tikiganye. You make a blunder.
Are you promising us?
Chokubanya abonya Bobi Wine nokuta Bobi Wine. Chibaka firing ku Museveni ya jabata. That's rongo point. Lairo like envelope disappear.
Nkubanga bwano mu Africa okusiba omusibyo omuntu akwesimbye mu kyabulijjo Magufuli abadde abikola badona abajira naba ne ye
amba Bobi Wine Bobi Wine singa entebe gyotuddeko gwe. Kakati laba Bobi Wine entebe gye yavuddeko bakubye sasi. Somebody rang him.
Bobi Wine wawe. Omuntu amukubira simu namugandi vaawo.
Vaawo. Nakugandi Bobi Wine bwe bamusindikira bambega. Abeno bamubuulira nti oyo mbega.
Waliwo balese.
Waliwo balese oyo mwegendereze.
Nga batukola bubi kwa twagala opposition reformidable to take a president Museveni Kazito.
Kendo soma katabu kange how they are kazo failures because members of the first family play an important role in the kadisoma kana ka succession nkulage
ono covid tumute
covid tumute tujamogera kolala echi tugamba abantu covid mungi nze mwe bawana bani president yali bawa decent nemukola documentary nemugenda malwaliro nemulaba abebase nemutracing abantu kubaka kati bano sente bazi yanga balowooza ayendala bahati najja nga bagala parliament yegende mu research kakuza bamukosa kakozo chamuli we byantonde parliament yegende mu research bahati ajjo trillion mukanga baboko okubiri twaliwe bazibba kati kakati kitegeeza tukirize badayana we tuli bakwatira dayana mawulu nakana kaino omuntu okukalinga mangada abanerekamu kana gisibani bonna abo tubaterekenga mawulu kati fe abogere nsine ewulira abantu baffe muve covid wali covid yajabba malawo avoid gundi
fetu batugulira abantu covid yali covid mukambwe covid yatta
balese gundi zino masks baleta bunika bw'abaana
baleta maski
wena okambali enda kwe bili
tebwali bulungi
noza abantu bategeeze tingabo oyambala ndawe ya ne stocks ne covid gundi jigule masiki
jegulire ngabo ogulira ngabo ogulira akalega ngabo
ogulira badde nsoma latest ba kugambye nti covid chafa na virus zindala virus emugwe kwata tekomawo covid yadana emirundi esatu yewanje ne banne mujja kuduka mujja kutema nono mwana uno
abantu bategeze
nganye president yo ya mulimbo mwana wa mwanyina uye ya unique zibuyo kakati fetu basonyiwe sente mwazibba nebuli omufa abawulirizibwa abantu covid is rampant nze nja kwitira mu sente zange ngende nkole nekyo kubiri government
ogenda okoleki obuli
abebase abali malwaliro
oje kikola
abagaga baduse wano bobano bawunya badayana boti bakyakola kintu a source must be credible if we want to convince people kati bantu bakyakola mulimo gwonna toleta
oyagala kola document tamale mu malwaliro okola gembera nga bafanana
abantu bategeere covid tumuyina wali mungi nnyo covid wali mungi nnyo nze gondi mbisoma ku virus ekomawo aleka za viruses kati bibagamba mbu tugenda kujja plasma tumukole mungi dokiti gwanje avafere tuwana bawa ayina gundi tu somebody yangami nabisomyemu mu journals nti bwotegeera nti yakutte sukali ataafuuka munnyo mukamwa era abantu bangi bamukwatiddwa nolaga nti ndimu olusujja akamwa kakaawa kati onaddukirawa katungulu chumu nimu nanansi kuba luli virus bweba ekola gwe n'olya bulungi abalala ne balya bubi bweyingira mu ggwe enfa n'oyamba bali abatali bubi kati ate ekomawo era ne Mafuguli kyali agamba professor of chemistry nti mugireke ekwata abantu bangi efe this is a different scene dokita mwangi bajja banoonya sente zemwalyanga kati abo toleeta okujjako ng'obalese president n'abaleeta to apologize to the people twalimba kino na kino virus bikinga balya sente
naye balimba obaffe tetwafaayo
yani nkubuulira bakizanyiramu nga sente balowooza banajja endala abo baddayo nabo nayo Diana kyakola kiwano yali badde yadduka
ate kuwagambye bagenda bakomya wano deportation bonna abaddukire Canada ne bali bagenda
bakomya audit will be there oyo looza mu kyoyo nga namukubulidde alajana tijati yakatuyola batuyola because Museveni akoze nnyo
so Tamale, are you promising us nti ekisanja kya President Museveni
amawulire kanagisi tabikuba kanagisi
ekisanja kya President Museveni
pepa bekuba ba mafia ate bekuba banu
singa President Museveni analondebwa 2021-2026 agenda kuyiribya
department zonna sigenda kuva waleke mubira mu budget umeme bichebyo byonna
agenda bijjawo
akateze munga kitutu sinza kumusonyiwa gitutu millions of dollars $10 ebi president yabireta amasanyalaze nazanye nkuku enje bwetonadda ngenda kukubira kitutu ngenda kubaka kitutu
ngayogera
ngenda kukubira kitutu
sinze simanyi tabba sizina gatiti
tuyinza kujja milioni bina amasensi twali badde tuyina naddira akaana akawala kano kamutibwa n'akateekayo oli ingini lutwama bamulwanyisa okukamala kakati balinze
Tamale
contract ya lutwama
Uganda erimu abantu abagala ensi eno okujjako President Museveni
anti bano bagala musuula nti Museveni omuntu yenna yali agadde ti president alesa amasanya milioni bina azeewoze bategeka kuzibba bazibire mu umeme ne bakwata kawujju ne bamutwala mu umeme n'atwala yisirani
kawujju mwogezi
umeme agisokola ati munene nga basi begebera areas wali wasokola Ministry of Education kandi nabagende bwemba ndi mwogezi mulungi TV ne radio zibaba gambo kuwa abana basomereko bilioni lukaga kati awo nkube bunti ekiraka
nebo boli mwogezi nyo
ne bwemba ndi mwogezi mulungi nyezo genda kunyanja kumukuba abantu amato ne mugonona ne mbajaka ebinyanja byawe ne mbasula mu nyanja banamwando banaba wakalu
Tamale wano department ichali credible wano echa kuumiddwa nga tena bakuzanyirwamu kubanga ndoza buli kintu bakizanyiddemu ate simanyi wa president
era bategerera kati ono muvubuka ali mu Uganda Revenue Authority olaba muwandikako
musinguzi
wesi wabo
Rujoki
olaba nalabyo omukazi alina omutuumu neno wa Kampala ku bizibu byolina noganti ndi simanyi kabula sekukulu nawo betinga gwe
Tamale
kakati kankubulire
Lindako
Reverend tamwabadde mu sitole ngegamba namugwanya yagoba ababutoda abataxi nagoba abagundi ababoda alekemwe yatumukunde namugwanya oyo nebaga tulete ba
bera namugwanya
balete basi manye bikumi bimeka abantu bagweka emirimo ayo anonya kalulu kakati musajja ate nabayita mbwate mujje twekolemu ekibiina be wali ogoba luli namugwanya nagamba twakwata abantu ne batwala petition mu parliament okujja emyaka 75 babanja namugwanya wasuma komawa don't you think that you are embarrassing the president to send you had to hire people ne bajja yakatwi mutwatwala petition mu parliament yali ezitowa tebaliise golola oba yali ezitowa baliise golola and you expose you say kabekala asemuze yategeere no it's a scandal that Museveni had to pay people how many petitions were needed. This was strictly for parliament to satisfy majority in parliament namugwanya those people mutwaya vuwala twaleka webitu byafe abantu batuwalana kwegamba kukyusa ekisanja kyali kibi
ekibawala nyabana
kakati bakubye mu mawulire kabati bagamba as these Kampala people are organizing taxis n'abagundi banonyeza president Kalulu bakubye mu mawulire ga monitor ne bagamba nga lumu January twali taxi na boda ejja kubeera mu Kampala kati ate bakolere nga togenda bajjawo ona ali mu kabula sekukulu
naye aga mawulire ga monitor aba taxi bagategeera
respond situality yabaddeko na originality they're not quoting anybody oyo abakuba abataxi n'ababoda nti gwe mukolera nga mugenda mulonda nga 15 ati kirungi bali nti nga 2 bwe batulonda 15 nga January lumu bavaamu kale katulabe nobody responds Mangende ko nalinjo bamulenze gwenkwaso omutwe.
Linda Cotton Tama.
Sente zembagala mu.
Linda Cotton
ya wedde. Sente za compensation.
Ekyo kyo tambali.
Zawe de.
Uganda Revenue Authority. Uganda Revenue Authority President Belia yogera ku State of the National Address. Yaganti eyo wabaddeyo omuvuyo nkozeeyo. Casualty yasooka mu COVID muno gobasooka okugoba ku mulimu. Yali Doris Akol. Yasooka. Oluvanyuma tugenda okuwulira war resignation nibakate shumba nabala. Revenue negenda ne yesula
bwe.
Anti ali mukalulu.
Anti yizo butishimba yizo butajja abayita omumu kunswaza. Ono mukazi bugulumani yali ageze entunga yasula banka zonna nazo kubaako bano
bugulumani yali ageze
entunga mu kyamulirayo ajana abanyiga.
Bugulumani yanominatinga. Bugulumani yanominatinga.
Yasia abayita munyamu
naye kati shumba yayitamu yesimba.
Era bagambye yabaga muti saagala kungobereza kenda ba face ya mwenemu kuba angobera
tabagala mu campaign. Tamale. Okay. Ekitongole kati kyetu kyayinawo mukama yatuyambye revenue twageddiza ngaba na Uganda.
Yes. Era tibamwagala agobye bangi nnyo. Ati yene emipiira nakubulira. Nzinze bali bamaze kukumbulira nti muri venue muri mu containers satu nebuli yakikwata kuba mugoba. Empire jejazi.
Lwaki bali baleze musenguzi abantu bayogera awo ne bavumana bakola batyanga balabanga basoka ku mu publicity yali embi
andika ko kanagisi tasobola mu andika
ali ku mirimu gyakola
the first 100 days in office lwakakamba tayebwa gwano tunde takali ya makerere kabanyolo ani tayebwa yakutwala yo limwevuma tayebwa yakutwala makerere olimwevuma tayebwa
Nsomewa Tamale, nsomewa njagala kusomewa bensemye oluvanyuma tu kwadeyo kwa kumasimu. In my talk shows, I have always argued that the political commentators in Uganda overlook the succession fever. This, however, is a normal practice where, when the incumbent leader grows in age, number one, I argue that in order to have an order succession, a leader in power must realize that it is the right time his or her days are numbered, and that he or she should let the state go beyond him or herself. Members of the first family are the beneficiaries of the regime. As beneficiaries, members of the first family and the beneficiaries of the regime must not harbor fear and hatred or believe in producing another member to succeed the president. Other forces, especially the opposition, also play a vital role in producing a successor. Finally, the institutions like the army, the constitution, and the parliament also have a role to play in the succession process. I hereby produce my book, Rules and Principles of Succession. Rules and Principles of Succession was first published in 2011 following the hotly contested general election in Uganda. What shapes future politics is institutions and not the political maneuvering. Those who tried to block Daniel Arap Moi failed and the country paid dearly. What is imperative today is to ensure a peaceful entrance and exit from power. Ensure that there are margins that cannot stop a bad leader from being the president of Uganda. Ensure that there are institutions that can shape a leader. Ensure that there is a wide exit space through which a leader can leave power. Nobody, including medical doctors, can understand the minds of individuals. This is the price former presidents Frederick Chiluba of Zambia and Bakili Muluzi of Malawi have had to pay at the hands of their hand-picked successors. Succession includes the two scenarios where the incumbent can either voluntarily retire or is forced out of power. The latter scenario implies that he will have no role in determining the successor. The voluntary retirement is such that the incumbent remains in a strong position to influence and to determine his successor. If then, naturally, it follows that the incumbent cannot cede power to somebody he does not know. Knowing in politics does not stop at somebody's name or face. It extends to historical bond. Experience shows that it's highly risky for an incumbent to trust power to somebody without a historical link. By this, I mean a long-term relationship. You must have guarantors who can invoke this historical bond if he or she turns hostile. Nelson Mandela in South Africa ensured that his close friend Thabo Mbeki succeeds him. Secondly, a leader does not entrust power to somebody who can easily establish his or her own Nelson Mandela political base within a very short time. It's advisable to incumbents to remain with some sort of influence in the government in the first 5 years following their retirement. This is because human nature loves freedom. It seeks to get out of the shadow of its predecessors and establish its own identity and legacy. A person who can easily establish a political base, a political power base, gets new friends and easily hijacked by the political opportunists of his new base. Somebody who feels that his success is attributed to you. This is what we call the politics of overwhelming. A person who believes that he or she, his or her achievements are related to one's individual abilities and popularity is usually politically dangerous. However, even the turncoats or weak leaders are dangerous. They become an easy target of the political manipulation by their opponents and try to prove that they are not dependent on the retired president. A retiring president should never underestimate his successor's political abilities. People change, they are not static. As I pointed out earlier, there is no person who can accurately predict another's mind. Many are pretenders. Furthermore, politics, money, and religion change people's attitude and behavior. This is because they attract new friends with different motives. This explains why when people get money and power or get married, they change their names. In Kenya, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, the Kikuyu mafia underestimated Daniel Arap Moi. They believe that since Moi came from a small tribe among the Kalenjin, the Kikuyu had established a strong network within the government and in the private sector and would snatch power from him. They looked at Moi as a passing cloud. However, he outsmarted them by borrowing power and support from the other tribes. In Zambia, Frederick Chiluba underestimated Lev Patrick Mwanawasa. He was deceived by the medical doctors that Mwanawasa would not complete his first term as president, and Mwanawasa was a victim of a fatal accident that severely affected his abdomen. He reasoned that if he became the president and gave him trouble, he would die within a short time. Therefore, Chiluba suggested the new president would be deputized by a vice president who would take over from Levi Mwanawasa's demise. But Chiluba would later pay heavily for this. Mwanawasa subjected himself to a long and embarrassing court process where his underpants were exposed to the public. Most of the former allies were put behind bars. Mwanawasa wished to remain and die his own man. He did not attribute his ascendancy to the presidency to Chiluba's role. Chiluba failed to understand that Mwanawasa, as a private lawyer, he could not pay for his huge health bills, and the doctors had based their health period to this fact. However, as president of Zambia, who was waging a corruption war crusade and forcing people to vomit what they had stolen, Mwanawasa's exorbitant bill was peanuts to the excited public. Therefore, it's important that the retiring president ensures the successor does not undermine his legacy. President Yoweri Museveni pointed out that he does not care about his legacy. However, this is important. Ugandans will remember Museveni among other achievements, a man who restored peace, stability, and human dignity and rejuvenated the country's image. Uganda, for the first time in history, saw soldiers who do not rape women, who do not kill with impunity, and who do not steal from the public. They will still remember that Museveni turned the Namamve killing fields during a mean and dangerous rule into an industrial center. In the 70s and the mid-80s, people would scan Namamve forest on a daily basis to retrieve corpses of their dead relatives. Government soldiers would take their victims to this slaughter dungeon and leave their dead bodies to be collected by the relatives for burial. This place became a mortuary of sorts. A group of youth permanently remained there to depend on income from relatives searching for their lost dead bodies. Museveni will be remembered for the pro-people policies like UPEUS, Igbo, Nabaga, Gaware, PFA, etc., etc. Prosperity for all, free and fair elections right from the villages to the presidency. Therefore, no retiring president will wish to see such achievements erased by his departure. He therefore cannot hand over power to a person who threatens to undermine the above. In the case of Uganda, wanagamba ati, oh my God, mbadde nkyasoma katabo. In the case of Uganda, these must remain monuments for President Museveni. This explains why Moi did not rename Kenyatta monuments after his own name, but he put his own structures. Even in the early days of President, Moi insisted on following the Nyayo philosophy, implying that walking in the Kenyatta footsteps. A retiring president must ensure that the successor will protect the members of the first family and what they have acquired. This explains why the first family must have an input in somebody to take the power. Although in Zambia and Malawi, it's the former presidents who have borne the wrath of their successors. In many cases, the first family members become the punching bags of the new regime. Even where the president has committed human rights violations, anger is always meted out on members of the first family. People often vent their anger on members of the first family. A retiring president must ensure that his successor will protect his security and protection from persecution. He should also be able to ensure his welfare. As people move closer to a global village, internationalization is also closing in. This means that we have a new generation of rights. What was not considered as human rights have become so. The internationalism through new agencies like the ICC is intended to keep leaders in developing countries on their toes. They use those who have retired to shape those taking power. Therefore, a retiring president in choosing a successor must bear this in mind. Finally, a retiring president must ensure that he remains with some influence in the border politic of the country. The soft landing has always been retention of the leadership of the party in case of a ruling party. However, this renders the retiring president to easily come into a collision path with the new president. The situation becomes worse when his party is not the ruling one. It's what is happening in Kenya. Former President Daniel Arap Moi refused to retire and still participates actively in the country's politics. At times, taking sides is very in very controversial government policies. This has helped him to remain relevant and to defend himself against attacks from the enemies. In conclusion, what protects the country from bad leaders are the national institutions that can shape a leader's conduct and the behavior. The country, through institutions, should make both the entrance and the exit doors wide and keep them always open. The entrance and the exit doors, keep them open, sorry. Once a leader misbehaves, there should be institutions to enforce accountability. A wise Uganda proverb says that omunyo omutono omuyonjo omutono agwegueta enkoko ekinsuti. Literally translated in English to connect, the cock must fit in a small cage. This is not the cage that explains to create room for it. It is not the cage that explains to expands to create room for it. Likewise, it should be the leaders to fit in the national institutions and not the institutions to expand to accommodate their leaders' personal selfish interests. Strong institutions should therefore ensure that the leader stick to his or her roles as a leader entrusted with power. We should also borrow relief from the Islamic practice. Muslims refer to their successful brothers and sisters in the business community as Katonda Beyazika Emali. This means that God only temporarily lends them wealth. He is free to withdraw it at any time. It's an apt teaching that is applicable to leadership. Applied secularly, it means that all the power you enjoy is lent to you by the people. Anytime they can come for it, and it should be surrendered willingly, provided that they go through the democratic means and not riots.
Akatabako kalaba
ingaso mewanene nyo sume pages mwenda zonna
akatabako anti bunyuma
kamera sume page mwenda
na akasoka rules and principles of succession na kawandika
2:10 nga kalulu ka besije ka
muhimu sabena watu ndiko mungu wanyesa mu 2:6 chibona baganti akaluka 2:6 baka ntikali kabbi libata ndiko mungu wanyesa mu 2:6 nemba tunulira kati mbabazi akolagana ne kakoza ono weri antonde gwe bakubye alete ekiteso yakireta ngagamba tamuli mitisizidewo
gozobe tegereza
nemba kandi kakoza ono tawagira mu 7 avuma mu 7 myami ya mu riskiteka alina wandikanga shuvamba mbakubiye paka sente bazirese asente bajazirita zo obadde we badayagalo zifera tusimbwazi werekere enzi mulikazi bateni billion nakazi kalenzi gwe njagala nkuwulire ko nti mutano wali ku parliament mumanyi mukinda kakubye nakakubye mu tape nakakubye nja ba muhange wa mwali twala tampe ko yavu ba n'umulambo ngoche nja ba kalenza ko n'umulambo alena sabe wafe timumpe ekirabo kya Christmas baku bulezo bulamu baku kamunkaso omutwe you run away from me as a killer nzo kubeta ento omutwe bubye billion bili ubyechi bulombu bawo kati zo sente zo tugenda kosa national office kazi baziba mutukole uyo mulenze tumukole tetujja kukolera tewali kuluna genda kukolera nafe twabuuka tujogeddwa ekimala tujogeddwa ekimala mpaka siwabo tewampita ko mu covid tewampita ko mu gundi tewampita ko mu covid tewampita ko mu nzige lokasi oyitanze kati
mugwa ita
mujje wange mbase mitwe bako mu mwaso mutwe benyondo mutwe mujjeke wange the only person who can give me assignments you will receive.
So akachiiko kalike bagamba ke bakutaka aka national chairman
yaliyo kotodde uno bujozebwe bayine
warugo bangamba akufaako yo baye kirunda Faruku ne babalanda do
ani kubulidde bote bamanyi nze njagala akolera mu 7 babalanda mumanyi koji national office bajja ne babagamba nti omusajja agende nga ayogera oyo omulenzi nazibba ngate muwulira yaganti yembo bajiwati asayini ayagala je mu kalulu
baba balanda tulina chokolana
yaga sente mbu batamukiza kujja mu kalulu ate mu muhozi yeba mugalide ginde nyumbi ya mulenzi goba kuletenga tuli nyotegere nti ensi ekutamwa
kadi baba balanda tulina chokolana bo
wa oni sente yaziwamba omulenzi sente yaziwamba
siyo bakuwa sente
ambu tugende tumukolere yenga yaina sente fe tulimbwaze ayima akati rubuga tetuyinza kukolera oba tutatutte nawe bali kutta the only person nacho kakati oyogera ndibatadeko nacho batadeko mukwaye batadeko kiziza maya atadeko doni neto kugerera mulenzi gwe doni akogera aje mukwenyondo mwaso mutwe
tolina kachiko koliko
sinanga nkola nabo ki you sacked me thinking that you will replace me with a better person. How can you still call me from good retirement? Have I been cleared by Utabika? You say I'm mad. Ninja kwata kumu njamuzinga jabazingira kumu kubana banja kutako baba kukitabe cyo bujoze ekikulu katuke ndi kamusi seye
kamupinga cyo bujoze ekikulu kibera wa obuda butuduseko obuda butuduseko
ntiabo members of the first family will mess the succession.
What needs to be done?
Anti boba bale to wabwe era mu conclusion nchikugamba waliwo ndachikameka
izatugazayo zitwede ko 5 zokka
nkugamba nabagamba nti bwabo kutasobola kufuga gwanga
bwabo yali agala kufuga gwanga
nabaga ntasobola mbayi nasimanyi aina ideology group size
ekibuzo kikino kiva wasimba mwebe is kyagulanyi a potential successor to Museveni
can't
he's not
that is yembaganti bwe malo ogoba luluzezo we have two scenarios we have where a comfortable president chooses a leader a successor is rules is bawad baganti is rules ziyamba mugisa muntu okujja ko mu next 5 years ngatufunyeyo omulala avuma Museveni will look for his self-preservation, self-survival.
Kubanga no Bobi Wine
Museveni tajja kubeera na hostile group enemubye
ene Bobi Wine ya
buli wamu
eyo yali removing a dictator
okusobola kukulembeza bamuliddemu olukwe abakubi atunulya ajogenya abantu atunulya mukatimba ngangu bamugambye mayiro gwe kumchikuko okulaba mu mayiro okusuka 5 bayola buyozi
tali kuodo okay
zemba mayiro
obude tutuse ko tamale Charles ali kamuli agamba the program
ndikadde okuba ko katono nnyo nabagambi
tumenye endagaano
ntobo sikyada mu bukuba basagala kuseringa gwanga lyange mbazungu waliwo ekisere ekyokulwana n'ekyaki kakati
nange gwanga lyo ndifaako nnyo
kamala okugwa okuba babano kubanga ye kati abatta kitwe kanagisa jabbi wandeeka lwampaka kanagisa atuwulya biri mu ministry of education the time for introducing reforms in the ministry, any ministry sibye bino kanagisa should tell us yakubanga ebigezo by'abaana ng'abaana balina abasomesa ewaabwe. If students can teach them syllabus, then it should remain at home. Bajenga kukola bigezo ku masomero. Kanagisi ezo naziola ajaze sasula.
Okay.
Kanagisi nokulumba jamu bama kabangali ngabazali abo bani abo.
Okay.
Ababesente wa.
Okay.
Olaba yo musajja akankana akankana omuwulidde. Nagantinze. Nawo denji italuma abajjati bangenda nange gwendi ku list bandabyeko. Oyo akankana oyo mwita wakoze nyamu kubuli oddoke. Abadde mu meeting bakubuli badduka batya. Ndeka. Omusajja ganti buli gwetukubira simu. Tatuddamu. Buli gwetukubira simu tayanukula. Buli gwetukubira simu.
Ekintu kibatabuseko.
Kanagisi.
Tamala abantu baze mwesubi going forward. Esubi ly'abantu liruwa kubanga ebintu byonna byogera bitiiza nga tuva ku mpewo.
I'm going to give myself an assignment. Let us convince Ugandans that COVID is real.
Kuba akalulu kafuuse ka COVID kala.
Muyinza okubeera ku mbaga sente z'embaga ne bazibba. Ebitiiti ebiki byonna. You abandoned the wedding? No. Musonda sente ndala kukibanga omugole si yazibye.
Okay.
Baba tubatereke badayana amawuli.
Okay. Aba banka yembale tuve ku mpewo. Aba banka yembale wabawulizaako. Aba
banka yembale bagambye.
Aba Pride Bank yembale.
Ani condition de mumuwe ekyapa nga sinayingirawo. Wanzo mukazo musule katamalo dikole erieddalu abo wete ati sirijanja omusajja mumwe ekyapa kye bamuyise leko musajja ekyakututa omusajja omuloko gwazo kiki simakola yo mulokola nze siri mulokole ebanja lyo mweri gona mwenge
omusajja serubiri bamuyise
bamuyise
serubiri
bamuyise ne bamuganti jangu ate teri kuteesa sente zimwamujjako yaziza mumwe ekyapa banza ate bwe manu kusula eddalusi kukumula apana subu
oliwa one way
nze ndi one way ekiro 13 ga 3 bwezi nenkubolo
bakugambye nti bamuyise ababanka obe yakwerera
mukugera na musajja oli mulogo tutira ki
tuwetu
jangu erwaki mubba Bwachi mwali bawadikala mubba mwade mumubira
soribira mu nyumba ye ekyo kigwe
mwana nze kankubulire abantu bajje wange ndi bazi byobukadde 15 nemuganze nkutwale yafe asita muntu kubi enti namo mubanzi be uloko mubanzi be tizibalumu negwe nonguza enyumba nti yiyo enchene nongansiyo nosigala kunsi ngokola kuki
ndagwa walafana nono nyakasako
ezange zenno nyo mwenyeza kamese tambula era nze ngula property nekundagano kubeerako singa kizuuka nga kyonguziza sikikyo nkutte
kundagano teka
yes I deserve the right to kill you
okiteka mundagano
ngula property ne akawaira akasemba yo sibya ko
singa kinazuuka nti kyonguziza sikikyo I
deserve the right to kill you nkutte
teve kumpa tuliza ali joli na mwebale kwenda bauliza badu mwebale kwenda olika ba mwenyumba ye serubiri kaba mwenyumba ye
sinayingirawo neba amuyise anayita waganyala nnyo
ni the simu waganya
solution
naye yajiba sabedda era gwo yambye kubanga bali bagana n'omulaba omaze kubasuubiza no kyita kubakola nyamugandi jangu bali bagana
agwire iraru
bali bagana sebiri yabesiba kabalabe nga tebagala
agwire iraru
naye kati bamuyise ate simu waganyavu era naye yagala bigwe kweli eri banka ye abadde muzukulu wa abasiramu omusiramu takuma busungu for over 3 years. Allah does not forgive a person who does not forgive others. Leto mkukudavu mukwano gwange forgive and his heart will be free from anger. Onere basumende basadi wa mkodomi wanga ngeti oli muzukulu wa abasiramu teba kuma busungu miaka ejo jonna mama wo Faith nakano ajja kutumidde aganti mutaba ni munda bire
ekizibu byabwe biri
tikinensonga
ewabwe tiri malogo tikinensonga nakujja ku mulimo nadduka nateeka waaliwo gwembwe ogenda owunye tikiriyo abaganda tukuga nti ebbanja ly'omwenge ligwa na mwenge oba wabba ekita abaganda baga nti obonaabonanga eyabba ende ku mulumbe obba yaki abantu bagana okunywa omwenge abaganda tulina embibi ubujozi jozi mbukubira ddala paka
okay
ne bagenda kusasula
Anthony Kabichi Masiga
principle to compensate my political career kubate tulidda mukola wamu
Anthony Kabichi Masiga akutumidde
tuli ne mugulu tebalidda mukunjoga ate tulisisinkana
wagana
singana mpozi kulotu block in a mass grave the prison cell no program yange bwejakeno ba yimi ndikubani nkwaso omutwe
okay Tamale Salongo nyombi ente bakulamusiza naganti Tamale yogedde kituufu lwaki Bobi ente bamuleka nayogera bwe bamuleka ekiboga yayogera kye ekitiisa
nankabiro yabagamba
kubanga ndoze ne Bobi Wine ebyo okwogera tabyagala ayagala flow kubanga wammera ayagala ndoze ebyo kumukijjanyo mukijjanyo
yabazanya bano no gamba nti candidate eyagenze kiryando ng'omumye ne wasula semwogere mwabi mukoleka sese ne mumma wasula semwogere bamutege emmotoka ne muviira mu mutani wa semwogere yagenda yali alaka kasese nasanga abambadde bya DP bamubempi ngaloza tubuzeeko at that time tewali was no benchmark se 10 the 10 commandments
tezaliwo mwami jagenda thank you for the program nze Sali Francis Kasanda omukukula vumutumide I want to know from him who these ministers are under house aye tutulekere ba minister bali under house arrest batulekere je bali abo bo batulekere thank you so much Tamale. In the East NRM leaders refused President Museveni in his campaign to go to Kaliro district. They made it worse to select only 60 people to meet Museveni in Kamuli district enemy district obache checho Mwidu Mohammed Yagani I don't know what the enemy district means
mujala ambaye bamuganti yaganye Bobi Wine
eruuka nawaite nakubiri nafiro omwana nebagenda
n'abaana nabo tubagamba
nebagenda social media ne batandika kwetu
yaligenze mwebyo olika yaza nga nnyo kuba mwetisse keep your children jabange mbagamba ku moving conscience tebatwagala kati ntia mafia okusinga opposition mafia jintia okusinga opposition mafia eri panike mu panic bajja kuba Bobi Wine esasi ense ya komuliro ejoko lyo nejo libayina mutwe obujozo bwe bayina mutwe bubagwemu
okay
obujozo buli kubagwa mutwe it is the interest of government to protect Bobi Wine yes
okay Tamale should know that Katumba is serious and is not joking. Tamale will be surprised when Katumba becomes the third. But did he contest to become the third? Can you imagine? Did he contest to become the third? So seriousness here, number 3. Did he say?
Where did you come to be number 3?
Why did you come to be number 3? Number 2 and number 3 and number 11.
bokuba mupira ku miwaja golo ne wite bali na kusimudde ne wite bali mufana teriyo kota golo
teriyo kota golo ndebo ku empaji ne ngomawo tuweza kanti gwagerije kwa kwenye ko kumpaji
tukugamba people remember the first one muwadi cup mbaga bachi mulimo obukopo bubiri ekinene ne ekitono midali kikubu kibechi yes
era kati nibo buza abantu twali kapa ni yali okusatu biba kwatira ko abantu bamanyi champion so kakati toyinza kuwana Katumba and I don't think he will be number 3 he come to contest to be number 3
representation
actually mu Uganda kati tetumutawan nako
when you get 10% of the voters they can finance some of the federal government can finance chawano besi jo wokubiri nani muba musembi
atuliza ali jolina
yabuleta ezozo na formula mfu
kuba Katumba ataina moroka mwatambulira yanonye mikono 9 nasasula ne milioni 2 nainga taina
nako era president Museveni yenga bwa ya humbling ajagenda mu presidential debate nze Katumba yizo kuita press conference ngenda
na ulideka actually cha presidential
ya press conference
presidential debate nawulidde ko nti bagala gisazaamu kubanga bakandidate baabwe tebalabika kubaako kibogerereyo mu debate kati bayinza nedda bayinza nogisazaamu
Kabuleta yawona okufa lwamwenge ng'atamidde Kabuleta yawona okufa
accident yali jinja
ye yasigalayo nga yeebase ng'atamidde yatamidde ddamu Nairobi banne ne bafa was saved by beer
kati ekyo kibi
kati bwaguddamu
omwenge
tubere ne president afuka mu mpali
Kabuleta yalokoka akoma n'ebigere bya nabbi
kakati abakomba ebigere bya nabbi